Hello everybody, welcome. I hope everyone is fine, and I hope you have enjoyed your weekends. For me it's a lot of work. In weekends we got a lot of work here, so I'm working every day except Friday, one Friday each month. Sometimes I may even take 2 Fridays in a month. Anyway, this MacBook Pro 15-inch was from a friend. He's a technician which has recently started doing Macs. And the issue with this Mac, he says that the issue isn't that the battery is not charging. In fact, the board is fine. It has nothing to do with the charging process of this battery. This battery is in fact dead. It has to be changed. What I'm going to show in this video is that when I asked my friend if he has tested with another battery, he said that he has no battery with which he can test. I said even 13 MacBook 13-inch battery. He said, can I do that? I said yes, you can do that. You can test with that battery. They have the same connector, and I have always done it in my shop. Of course, we have to compare the pins out of the two batteries, referring to board views of the boards before doing that. So in this video, it's what I'm going to show, that we can test if we, for example, we got to MacBook Pro 15-inch, which has the issue of battery not charging, and you don't have another same battery with which to test, and you got for example this one, the small one, which can be found in MacBook Pro 13 inches. So you can use it to test if you know it's a battery with which still holds some charging. So let's do it with this one. So this battery is dead. It's dead. As you can see, if we press the power button, nothing happens. No fan spinning, nothing at all. So it's dead. And if we plug the MagSafe, let's see, the MagSafe here, so the board is on. As you can see, the fans are spinning, and the light, pay attention to the light here. So as we don't have the system, so the PC is on, but as we don't have the system, because we don't have any HDD on it, let's shut down the Mac and let's switch off the lights. So as you can see here, the light here is still green, and as you know, everybody who's dealing with the Macs know that the light on MagSafe should be red or orange. Some say red, some say orange. It depends. Anyway, the light here, the light on the tips should be red when the battery is charging. If it stays green like this, it only means that the battery, it may mean two things: either the battery is fully charged or the battery is not charging. and then we can proceed with the tests, which logically should start with testing with another battery, if of course you have another battery with which to test. In this case of this 15-inch MacBook Pro, we can use the battery designed for 13-inch MacBook Pro. Let's see. So let's unplug the MagSafe, let's remove the battery, and now let's put the small one, the 13-inch MacBook Pro battery. Now let's plug the MagSafe. The Mac goes on. If you have noticed, the light on the tip of our MagSafe now is red. The Mac is on, so let's hold the battery. Pay attention not to, the battery should not fall or I might damage things. So let's shut down the PC, we don't need it on. So as you can see here, the light is becoming red, which means that the battery is charging. So now we are sure that the board has nothing to do with the charging process of the old battery, this one. So we only have to change the battery. The customer of the owner of this Mac in fact says that the battery was well working, and the other day it's no longer getting charged, but I don't know what happens to this battery. But we have seen here that with this test shows that the battery is not good and it should be replaced. So as you can see, you can use a 13-inch battery to test a 15-inch MacBook Pro. Let's remove the MagSafe. Let's try add to power. Yeah, it's on with only the battery. It's on only the battery. So let's power it off. Let's put again the MagSafe, but we have to wait for the light. The light on the tip is still on, so we have to wait for the light to goes off before. So I may unplug the charger so that I don't have to wait for long. That's it, now it's off. Let's, there you can see it's off, so let's, now it's green. It's green and it becomes red, meaning that the battery is charging. So we come to the end of our video. See you next time in another video. Okay, bye bye.